During call on your iPhone XR running on iOS 18, if you feel the volume is too low, you can't hear the other person properly unless you turn on the phone speaker, and some users keep hearing muffled, crackling, or kinda distorted sound even when the speaker is on. And in this video, we're gonna just go ahead and fix this problem. Now first, what you can do, while you're in call, from the volume rocker, just turn up the call volume. And now let's go ahead and check out some device settings. From settings to accessibility, first inner touch, and then go to call audio routing. And it's better and recommended that when you're having this problem, just make sure it's selected to automatic. Now go back to the accessibility settings, and now enter audio and visual. Scroll down in here, and as you can see, noise cancellation is enabled for your benefit, but it might lower the other end sound. So better, when you're having this problem, keep it disabled. Now go back to the accessibility setting for one last time, and now enter hearing devices. And it's better if you enable the hearing aid compatibility. And similarly, just make sure your ear speaker section is clean enough, like there's no dust and debris that might be gathered in here. Now sometimes low or muffled voice on call happens just for some minor glitch. In that case, you can quickly restart your iPhone by quickly press and release the volume up and down button, and then keep pressing the side button till the screen goes black. Sometimes low or muffled sound might happen for network issues as well. So if you're still having the same problem, just go ahead and reset network settings. From settings to general, scroll down to transfer reset iPhone to reset network settings, and then just go ahead and tap on reset network settings. Most times, after a reset network process, the problem is solved. Hope this video could solve your problem. Let us know in the comment section if it does. Thanks for watching.